Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to create a frequency bar graph. So I have my example from the class and I transferred my data into my spreadsheet. The first step is to select my data and then you select insert. Click on this column or bar chart and pick the first one like that. Now to add the titles, basically to change the title, you're going to click here and change it. And then to add titles to your axis, basically click on this plus sign and then select axis titles and then you can write them down. Frequency, that is the frequency, and this axis represents the color. So that is how to create a frequency bar graph using Excel. Hopefully this helped and I will see you in class.